No. No, don't honk her nose. You want to honk my nose? You ready? Do it. Ready, Gary, on days. You honking my nose? Oh no, we're not standing up. We're sitting down. Got this? Got that? Got a couple cards for you. Want to play cards? You got the rocket. We got a new game, so if he honks your nose, you're supposed to tickle him, just so you know if he comes up and honks your nose, you can expect him to be tickled.
Daddy boy!
Yeah?
Yeah!
You picking your nose? Better watch it, you're going to make it to your brain. What? You don't honk your own nose. You're really supposed to honk. Honk. Yeah, show Mom our honk game. Say hi, Mommy. Say hi, Mommy. What good does that do? I guess at least so since we can't communicate in any respectable way. If you want, this is how you can know what we come up with. I'll share it in a little clip. That's under 3 minutes and 33 seconds. And I'll try to incorporate anything and everything that we've learned into that. And you can do it right here. Maybe it'll bring up a level of understanding to our relationship. Maybe not. Pretty sure I'm out there on left field on this one to even believe it's possible that communication could exist in a visual aspect without having to deal with the emotions of what lies underneath. So, appreciate you checking it out. Another little prophetic statement for you guys. And I hope you dig it. I hope you do. And maybe you'll get on and show me something that you guys do over at your house, something you taught them that I can use on here. And, either way, let me know.